Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply stop sharing your Instagram post to your Facebook without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram. So I'm going to click on here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the bottom side. The next thing you need to do is to click on your Instagram handle. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on go to account center. Next thing you need to do is to click on sharing across profiles. Then select your Instagram handle. Then make sure you turn off these three buttons right here. So turn off automatically share your Instagram post. Turn off automatically share your Instagram story. Turn off automatically share your Instagram reels. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.